Sende jewe pu zu kongam sa ta thari nganzu joshi sawachi kan la ya keche mashu khong la ya ta dunja ngwe de le ya nganzu mi gi quality she sha bi nganzu mi gi remote te and mi nang ge cha she khari khari yu me ma chi kya zo la tön bi and di nang ge che ka cha she kha chi hla de yu and di thari ma jogo ma te she ja gi and di je la nganzu thari lobjen sawachi ko chu gi tadi masih deshe majang oleh de sera tu tanda di sera thangbu di tanda taden pyokim ki angsi nyedun ba gen la gen sonam jebu la ki tanda puku kha chik tanda pyokim de puku kha chik Kurang ki Google Classroom di na la zushu che nyamshu che kangen shtegi yusare tanda di labche ngoy ne ya sozo nge email ID chi soyo pugu tsole ya sozo mingshung andang che and then @tcv.org.in che de degi khajan soyo re di ge phama khaji ge khajan de pecho tang ba thone jushu chi thugum do she ne Kurang la ya de len rayo sare ane gelang ne pugu tsola lamdun she la khajan di labde ge na sha ba khajan di mai ba che sozo pugu sozo toda ger gi khajan sozo individual personal gmail address yin kurwa di pejo tampa thone ani tanda di Google Classroom gyanla gi ti sha be Google Classroom na la nyamshu chiro che shi shudu di sera chik chen sera niba de da shu bugim lobra pugu chol ya lob tu da zinda chazan da buchire chuwa pa to chazan da buchi changma la ya tanda da shu bugim ki Google Classroom chik online classroom chik tiare an di na la ya ani nyamshu che la ya da shu bugim ki pugu chazan chik ane labje ki ngodeb ki khajan shunkurwa labje ki lower TCV school chechine di Facebook web page rida di thol chinchine di na la ya tanda labje ngone lamdön che yore khande khande jushu che gugure khari che gugure cheche di pa chinchine labje ki Facebook ngodeb ki khajan dol pa si chene ni chazan che nezu dige de top thone di na la nyamshu che cheche ni dashu bugum ki lobchugi doseje byugushugudu an danashi lobchu changmege lamdön di kembeton에 tanda di genla chasangge sosu lobsen tinangire di nalya nyamshu yongye chedo model di injimeji siroshen di nalya yoshabe lamdön kare nanto di chasangje sosu ngone ineya ani kembeton에 zushu chero jeshuyi ta diche an taringe joshidi 당보딩에게 띠다 human eye 같이 죽두에 지체 human eye 나라야 parts 카직 배낭에게 당보델이야 ciliary muscle 체라 드닝에게 직 iris sumbati pupil then retina, then optic nerve, optic disc. दूसरे डिजाइन का चिक नहीं गए अने दिखाला या था ने चसांजी तो दु शुशो aqueous humor aqueous now vitreous humor tige diche an tigi tangi remote goni tu mogo bache ani remote ke san dingyo gi dunta del tisabi ta jogo din ma che je khunzu ge la kharchi ge mech ma functions of these parts of human eye. So I'm going to explain you briefly the functions of these important parts of human eye. First one is ciliary muscle. So ciliary muscles, if I So if this is our ciliary muscles, Ciliary muscle play very important role, in forming image in our eye. So let's say this is our eye lens. So these fingers of mine act as ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles ki lenge so dikhar se na lens ki ngazu mig nang lens chidwa di lens shenda dag marwa from the fact that shenda dam go yumzen de because it can change its focal length. Lens ngazu mig nang lens de ki focal length de fix mare. Right, can change its focal length. Big nang lens the focal length yubatang tugure and focal length yubatang tugu yubati condensed rat tugure sena. Nazu tarang bung chalashi tongudwa, Tanashi ta nebu chalashi tongudwa. Kede nazu lens big nang lens the focal length yubatang tugu mena. If our eye lens cannot change its focal length, then we won't be able to see far by object as well as nearby object clearly. So since we have this ability to see far by object as well as nearby object clearly, this tells us that our eye lens can change its focal length. Lens focal length. Now, who does this job? The question is, who helps our eye lens to change its focal length? Also migi lens the focal length yubatang tugu yuna and the chenke the su raw chegorche. That raw chenge the ciliary muscle. So ciliary muscles, the migi langi lens the bena, it's a double convex lens. Tang zugutige kachigidu, I can change the shape of the lens. I can make it thick and short. I can make it long and thin. So lens ki sobda the yubatang tugu dua with the help of these ciliary muscles. So lens ki sobda la yubat thegi yotsa lens the kandichasu. So at this moment, the focal length of the lens decreases. When the lens becomes thick and short, then the focal length decreases. As a result, we can see nearby object clearly. Now, when we are supposed to see far by object, then at that time, the ciliary muscles relaxes. Previously, when the lens decreases its focal length, at that time the ciliary muscle contracts. Dukshin ciliary muscles contract shibri. Contract shidu lens the thupu da begbe chaswa. This song sa focal length the chung chinswa, focal length the nyur chinswa, focal length the nyur chinsa, azu ta nye ki chalangobu digedi sebutong tuswa. Now, when we are supposed to look at far by object, at that time the ciliary muscles relaxes. Ciliary muscles the relax sugar. Relax chesanga lens become thin and long. Therefore, the focal length of the lens increase. Focal length increase. Focal length increase. So, all this thing is done with the help of ciliary muscles. So, ciliary muscles ki lenge sobo karisha helps the eye lens to change its focal length. Yana interest lana itigitu, it helps us to see nearby object clearly as well as far by object clearly. That's for ciliary muscles, right? Now the iris. Iris is again a colored muscular part, right? If this is our eye, at the center you have got the black part, that's your pupil, surrounded by your iris. So iris is a colored muscular part, and this iris helps, this muscle helps the pupil to dilate and constrict. Now look at these two figures. In the above figure, the gang ki part dinalaya pupil di chungrodwa. That means the pupil has constricted. The pupil has constricted. Nivadila pupil has dilated. Cherchingba. So pupil di cherudwe the chungrodwe di ngazu mig nang la he khazuchi zu da mazudirwa. Pupil constrict cheve na chung chimbe na mig na le nyunga zugruwa. people dilate chebene ö manga zugruba da room nagunshnal chibeina khangba nagunshnal chibeina khangmi nagunshnal and tedu kapsu ö shra me sang ju people dikha chigre it dilates ko cher dur so that more light can enter. Therefore we can see things clearly. So duk seshine ju megna la people cher chimbeina ö manga zugruba ö ga ju manga zuna se thongruba odirba da nime kongla ya lo shuk chumbuchla ya dang shuk chumbuchla nga ju tegyo나 특갑 두두 아주 people the constrict 그러봐 아니 constrict 체베나 회 뇽아 주그러봐 회 슉슉 슈이나 아주 미 people the dilate 체베나 회 차산시 나올 침베나 미 나올 경우 봐 so the day into people the constrict 그래 if the intensity of light is strong more then the pupil constrict and if the intensity of light is low or less pupil dilates so the control 칭에 the pupil 체 총으로 땅에다 체로 땅에 control 칭에 the this thing is done by the iris so that's a muscle. So iris help in controlling the size of pupil. Helps in controlling the size of pupil. The pupil is just like a window to our eye from where the light enters. Opening the pupil nani ya zuru gorwa odiche so light enters through pupil and again the size of pupil varies pupil ki size zero depending upon the intensity of light and then retina retina le the innermost layer of the eye mignangi layer the innermost nanglo gi layer dire chagrim dire retina de la de retinal digala ya editina tangbo de la innermost layer. What is the innermost layer of human eye? You may say it's retina, you can say it's retina, innermost layer che nivu de la retina nangla ya normally we say that image is formed on retina. Retina kana image sugres, but more precisely, image is formed on fovea. Fovea. Image di fovea kana form chir. Image is formed on fovea. Fovea di kharesna retina ki part chir. I will show you fovea dirwa. Delia sia. Okay. The laptop ki charger shire na. Charger shimbadi. Nge retina gi nange fovea la saje de kawayo meching cancel ya tengorwa ine tande de nega bringange de ma de shesh kya shawra fovea la saje de kawayo sena it's on the retina kana yorta fovea la saje de and tell yang azugi image tang azu we get a very sharp image, very clear image and very colorful image. To migi nangi image society such the fovea and fovea de la such de ya. Let me tell you something more about fovea. Fovea la such de la ya. Tadi kingyu gyur kyan so ngazu mig nang la ya. There are two kinds of light sensitive cell, photoreceptor cell. Ngazu mig nang la photoreceptor cell ni yore, rig mandava ni di retina nang la ya yore. Photoreceptor cells and I mean light sensitive cell. The ni dikhare resena rod cell the cone cell. Rod cell the cone cell. These are the two photoreceptor cells. And they are in the retina. Ta chita chavi ina da cha chavi ina ngazu meg nalo ya rod cell the cone cell khari mangire seve ina rod cell mangire. There are plenty of rod cells in our eye. as compared to cone cell. Cone cell nyunga yore. Migna la nga cone cell nyunga yore wa rod cell manga yore. Rod cell di chidangi dim light la taya la it's more active during dim light. Cone cell is more active during bright light and it is also sensitive to color. So dine indu rod cell di manga yore te ineya nganso nagung kila yaku thongu mundu wa kind someone shinan rod cell manga yona nagung kila yaga thongwa chire wa since there are more number of rod cells right, but this isn't so. Ti mardwa nagung shina la ya sebu thongu mundu wa ngazo yobe kapsu sebu thongu dwa ade kharishin sena ngazo phobia la sash de la image sögyo bache retina lana nangi khyabgon gangza de la gorta the innermost part of the eye is called retina the whole structure kesange remote your dinal tner nanglo gi desin chasan de retina de uchirwa imbe ya chasan la image sögo marwa image sösa de mixe ngazo phobia la sash de sögo and de la ya cone cell shatachre. So our fovea has got cone cells. It doesn't have rod cells. Rod cell pe nyunyu re yobi ina cone cell mang cha cone cell re pet cone cell gi khandir fovea le saj del deshine nganjo ge color dige de yakut moda chö tu gore dagna shingi yobe kapsu ya in the presence of light we can see things very well. So that's because there are plenty of cone cells in this region so called fovea where the image is formed. Also image maybe in some other places, then maybe we could see well enough in dark room or the ditch. So ditch che. That optic nerve leshtua. Optic nerve le nerve fiber chwa. The optic nerve the kawal to go senang anzuge migne chechne level alpha to gruwa. So optic nerve is a nerve. Nerve fiber lab gugu namju ngazu nerve fiber issue de gore but actually ngazu de nerve fiber sidi pejutang khachi ge pejutang dig marche issue gore imbe ne tang ngazu tanda negringal yeah we would use the word nerve fiber. So optic nerve singede it's a bundle of nerve fiber that leaves the eye and that goes to our brain that connects optic nerve thing ngazu migna di connect chingi dirwa lebani di connect chingi dire pa tunjor chinge dire the digital optic nerve that connects our eye to the brain optic nerve. So all the nganjoge migna la ya khari thongba di migna lo la ya penange ge nyugudi tabe na nyugudi ge image tinge migna sögrwa the image the kharchigre it is being converted into nerve impulse mignange image the nerve impulse la jur the image is converted into nerve impulse electrical impulse line the message brain the message nerve impulse the message leba badu kitush leba badu par the kurande do marwa par the nerve impulse like your and nerve impulse it's an electrical message nerve impulse the khawa dugre nerve impulse the sukhi dugre optic nerve ki kidne and khawa le libgire thamadi ngansogi brain nan ligre brain nan. And then brain does all the sorting and analyzing process. Shimjuchirwa the kharesha nyugudi gi chejung khandechiresha chondo kharesha nyugudi chik company kharesha ta chik mangbochi khogi yibda chik mangbochi di thangwa lebegi shimjuchirwa takchugirwa all those re. So those durim di tang azu make nang dire image ti che image nerve impulse la gyur nerve impulse shine level dure nerve impulse ki dunge da optic nerve diwa nerve impulse di optic nerve ki dure optic nerve ki ani azu level pat ki durwa dokshe optic disc le di kharesena khachi ki dile ya blind spot yan lagir blind spot ta thanda kiran so 땡에 직슈구 지자고로 디 blind spot 네 슈지 라 다디 캔스 통그라 네 슈구지 추수 티더와 이걸 따지 예 플러스 산치다 엔델이야 피거치 티샤예 캔스 같이 했는데 네 슈구지 네 같이 걸는데 액티비티 균에 아주 blind spot 디 제주치했다 아주 믹나라 사지치요 blind spot 세 사지치 야나 optic disc this 사지디 가릴라나 it's a place in our eye from where the optic nerve leaves the leaves the retina and it leaves the eye. And so optic nerve tandang tanda de the lot left thing can remote doing what tanda negative shingala the activity that you see there wa the and can also share the remote the gaps have ya you close your left eye the catch nerva and you focus yourself on this cross sign plus sign the chevina plus sign del tevina an 같이 그랬으나 기란 쪽에 then you adjust the distance yama distance the adjust chirwa shugudi kiran so yama do shuguta ge joti do left eye the catch ne kiran so yama kidarwa then at some point kiran gi the image the la do bet del do sambala kharsin la brela na kap to do sambala la go yumsendi the image falls on your optic disc the image the 마통에 the 내단지 차기로와 값 두두서바 가르치는 마통버레스나 image the kirangi optic disc on lever optic disc on letsa image the 통요 말 so optic disc layer blind spot delaya optic disc layer photoreceptor cell kyunira yo mare rod cell the cone cell zero optic disc layer such a delaya it is a place where the optic nerve leaves the eyeball and optic nerve the 먼저 믹나는마 튼사기 사자 튼도사기 사자 삼중구로와 호디 optic disc like 사자 될라 아니 사자 될이야 rod cell the cone cell 큐니요 말에 light sensitive cell 아니 디 매상가 셀 디게 매상가 아니 개칸 통고만 나군소로 차르고 so 아주 the activity ene you can clearly find out your optic disc as that way it looks session the remove the t and kiran left eye the close session and then you focus yourself on this cross sign and kiran so distance the kiran ge the chirwa adjust chigi chedarwa consumptularwa the figure the kiran make ne pet la du 통계 말 and this such the ma 통계 yumsen the 가르세나 the image the kap to do samba kiran the image the kiran ge optic disc la power lever optic disc la lepsa kiran the 통계요 말 Oduk session we can figure out is there an optic disc in my eye optic disc here the message you chit here the activity chunju che right doche optic disc and then aqueous the vitreous humor like that chuso doche it's a fluid like substance a gel like substance in our eye azu mignal yu shabchire and the fluid digi kharchi gresena kesa remunal tyoring aqueous humor the vitreous humor remove the yange sirwa and then the fluid digi sobokang gench kharsena vitreous humor do cha shavena it provides nutrients to the retina gi lega shukshum shu shigorwa image ti chulne light absorb retina gin part chi light absorb che ta dene the nerve impulse like gur go ta the energy shoji gogor del peju shu chigor so energy the peju chigi sanga kolaya kargore sejuya the nangshingi gugurwa it needs a lot of nutrients so the nutrient is provided by the vitreous humor chikche and tagananshingi vitreous humor the aqueous humor ni digi they give shape to the eyeball and make like a sopta chik spherical shape stick to and that's because of these fluid ni digi chusoro ni digi migri dilaya nganzo sopta teya pentogo yores they give shape proper shape to the eyeball odok chechni ata migi kola dende do che an thana shingi ngazo mig nangi lens ti kola nge shoot sai cornea yore and dine kha chi gya dinala kes dudanguma de nge de she kya chawi ta ngazo sound la do sha urwa sound inda pena imagine ngazo ta daring gilobzen sabu de tigyo ta dade so peje 저기 디차기에메 가르사 예 차산직 기란솔이야 글롭센디 트린랑 차투기 차투 말삼구도 임베이네 땡에 개체 카직마 데시기기 쪼봉일 다른 미유 가르침 교스나 다세나 가리레 와 아니 다디 컨테스트 되기메다 아니 달리야 지 가르시기래 가지고 캐주 카리카리 다식라 캐주 카리카리 창에 메디게 마치 데시잖아 딩에 뮤조도치 안 토마델이야 아주 사운드스나 카리 매직 아니다 so we can't imagine a life without a sound just imagine a life without a sound just imagine a world without a sound kyanzo lo니 시가치 베이나야 다큐나 메비나 how would it sound dunrangomal ngazo kharchambre sight we learn about sight daring also kharchangre we are learning about sound. So sight and sound. This compare chichogre. Light the sound nipala. There are a lot of similarities. Like for example, is light and energy? Light the energy reve mare. So definitely yes. I would say it's a kinetic energy. It's a form of a kinetic energy. Now let's think about sound. Is sound an energy? Look at here. The activity box you say. Tap the box you carlene degree rubber bench here. You can see. You can hear the sound. Now what actually causes this sound? Can you hear the sound? So sound does in a carriere la narwa. When I stroke this rubber band, what happened? What are you seeing? The rubber band moved. So sound sena movement of matter. Sound is a movement of matter. Sound is a movement of matter. Yeah, that transo this devi na ngeki dingo delaya. Human eye kasih this one. This yeah. Where is it? The taking laptop the no the zochin the dela kit hemido. Came in cancel the Tajango Dina Sina degree and Zugi image Mangburagging egg image to cancel to the Tajan Dun Shabachre and Tajadan CB in a cancel make Nagi interesting chick dirda, tending it at the parliament taining it at Dus Lab Shawarwa. On to Leba Chilon Tongurvelana, Tongmarwa. Yimbe in a Tadadi cancel Kinky device shure make Dr. Chetuya. Ophthalmologist sigurwa amjidila make dagje singe dozola ophthalmologist ophthalmologist they use a device instrument to look into your eye, and we call them as ophthalmoscope. Did indeed uchmide indeed ucheran diga kashe tuktu yuguru do shechen dinma yuwaring buduche dok shechita che kirazo megla ya dok stagitwa megiti del kiung chitagitwa. That's ophthalmoscope. The ophthalmoscope the peugeot tang betone make dagje chingi amjila digi kar tongor sena brain tongorta. Brain nangla brain sedu sambal ta leba dirwa ya kyan sambal ya brain kharis tongor sa brain nang ne ngazu leba yobi na nganzo leba di be nata leba di nan ne nerve mandra chungni sto go we call them as cranial nerve khacher lana chungni leba ne thön shaba kyap shaba cranial nerve chungni nane nerve ni ba chito ba odila optic nerve le ta ge wa optic nerve lane nganzo mig ne che optic nerve ti ba level dugla so optic nerve thongor ophthalmoscope dige ophthalmoscope the mignal tadu sampalaya they can see the ophthalmologist can actually see the optic nerve and optic nerve the kharresena cranial nerve brain ki chashe chire so in a way ngazu brain thoya di only through eye ngazu mignal tebe na ngazu brain ki chashe chi thongore so shemba chilone tan brain ki chashe thongtwe kyuneyo mare it is through our eye we can see the part of our brain and that part is the optic nerve and the ophthalmoscope can be used to see it yeah udoshe the only part of the brain visible to our eye from outside is the optic nerve odilai odushe tanga dos dagala patsuru anja lebe cherwa this have che now let me remove it so das ina kharesena it's a movement of matter moves china that's a sound right matter moves china matter move much of in a sound ku mare right matter move cheve ina then you can hear sound you can hear it I'm moving it if I don't move it you won't be able to hear the sound so what is sound? It's a movement of matter, simple way. Now the question is sound an energy? Is just like light is an energy. We already know that light is an energy because it travels at a great speed. Is sound an energy? Yes, it is. How can you prove that sound is an energy? But over here, look at this. Sound is an energy because they're like rubber band. It vibrates. So whenever an object vibrates, it has kinetic energy. So object vibrates. Normally we say how sound is produced, and that's because object it's due to the vibration of object. Sound is the vibration of object. Energy produced by the vibration of object, right? So whenever an object vibrates, energy is there, kinetic energy is there. So sound is definitely an energy because the object vibrates. So I may say sound is again a form of kinetic energy. It's a form of kinetic energy. What should I say? What else can I talk about sound? It's an energy that we have known. And how about wave? Light is a wave. Previously we talked about light as a wave, electromagnetic wave. So how about sound? Electromagnetic wave, right? Electromagnetic wave. Sound diya labchi reverse, dat diya labchi ngo reverse. Is sound a wave? Now, how do we define it? So labchi in the male edi de. Object vibrate chigdwa. Vibration na kharre chik. If sound is produced by vibration, when the object matter, when matter does not move, then we don't hear any sound. When matter move, like for example, matter when they are not moving, we don't hear the sound. When they moved, we hear the sound. Right? Voice box if I don't speak, there's no movement here, right? When I start speaking, there is a movement here. We call that movement as vibration. So vibration, then there is another word for vibration. I can even use the word disturbance. Disturbance. So sound is a disturbance of particle. Disturbance of particle. Particle disturbed chigor. Pena nyegi deleya. This structure do saba. Di nyeko le yobe lung chigor. Digda digi tita wa yobe lung di chigor. Disturbed chigor. A particle, a molecule digi nyegi disturbed chigor when I stroke it. When this thing vibrates, it is disturbing the air molecules or particles surrounding it. disturb chigor and disturb chidan di see darwa kadis chigdula na ngi pena gambu dikhibe inarda gambu dina lo ya nge khar chigore so pujangsa nge khaje pujangdu sampal ya I am compressing the air in the balloon nge gambu dina la lung khar chigore air di compress chiswa nanglo la tsiswa nge jangso pujang such dina lo la na compress air dil ya dig lega chigribe kya jagya chigirwa compress air dig so compress air dig lega khar chigre when I release it it goes so ko lega chigdwa so compress air doesn't work so dela in a when we vibrate an object when the matter vibrates it disturbs the particle around it surrounding it so particles surrounding the disturb chidan de gandere kwegi puja tangor just like this one anjoge moda dige disia de moda kashi shayerwa dosishne tade tomatela ye ngege datigi dilia pugastambe inada force apply chavi na ko disturb chavi na ko move chidu sambaliya ko la shugurwa ko yan disturb chaswa ko disturb chine ko la shudu ko yan disturb chasa pena din it's a chain reaction de chigi chigla so dadi ina ya particles tige la chik disturb chana di vibrate chigurwa vibrate chine khansam chula dig dil shugurwa vibrate chese vibration se na khare so bodia yedil vibration se di yan sik the vibration se na khare la vi na it's a movement of particles back and forth ko devu chebe na movement of particles back and forth particle digedi phasu pena ended ojra movement of particles back and forth dinde chila vibration sirwa so particle chik vibrate chasuna vibrate chesuna nyendam na yo particle dilaya khogi chugu devi ina phog marwa rwa ka kesi vibrate chebe ina bervi ina ta particle digi so gi mean position ne back forth mean position lana normal position dilagirwa dene pha chu gulgirwa dila berwa lagirwa berdu sampala ne nyendam na yo particle di pena moda digi berchene moda di guju tangiro guju tangdu sambal dil shube ne moda di chugu dewe ina ko shugmarwa ta berwe ina ko guju tang yama phunsu guju tang gorwa an berdu sambal ko dil shube ina di yam berya go chugurwa di tile yam moda shemba chube ina di shube ina di yam berya go chugura so it's a kind of a chain reaction ko chik tu ni tu chechne ani di vibration di ki thone wave produce chugor ta wave se na wave revel na wave re khain se na vibration yo sanga so waves in a khare it's a disturbance through which the energy is being moved forward into the medium energy di sound the energy rwa energy di carry forward chigdwa ngajo dapena kranso ngegi ke cheve na phajo denge mitigi nge dadi khogurwa so pardala ya lungchidwa digi parla lungi air mo nge khatam ne yobe thoma beria dinge gi kharchigore voice box de bergorwa di beria digi and kegi nyandam ne yobe lung dige dileya pressure difference chi sogor sound sena deshe jata mangbu yungure sound is the pressure difference la ne digre rwa pressure difference digi any energy di move forward energy di drotugor gyulam chigi nangla so dele ngegi ti de khadi yobe lung dige di bergor bertsangani khogi ya ko vibrate che go churwa khogi ti de yobe air molecule shamba dile ya phoktu sambala the energy the transfer sugar waves sena kharrela na it's a transfer of energy from one point to another waves sena khodev shuvena disturbance tila lana digidu yana transfer of energy waves sena transfer of energy chila lana digor wave di so sound the energy chire and the transfer chigidwe yes through the medium chigina la transfer chigidwa rwa transfer chigi mena ngazu kogu marwa mi phajo denge di chi nge ma khran zu labgyo khran zu kogu marwa nge til de zingan de cha sha vi na genla chigi ma lob tri cheb ka su ma deshe gab ka su pu de kogu marwa if the energy is not being transferred if the wave is not moving forward then we won't be able to hear the sound rwa odirwa odu sheche so sound and a movement of matter and it sound is an energy kinetic energy a sound is a wave ta kharlane kyan so roba dire chire ta sound say dia technical term chik shevi ina ya ngazu dirda ngazu light nang la kharke she gorsna light jump kapso we are focusing ourselves on a very small portion of light and that is visible light light la ring mangbo yungurwa visible the invisible chechine mangbo yorba ngazu light ke shedu sambala we are only talking about visible light tagan nang shingirda sound da dike shedu sambal tada kyan su da thö dike kal ke shegorta audible sound dike shegor and then there are other sound also which are not audible for us ngazu makwe the sound yorba below 20 hertz dike infrasound like that we don't hear them above 20000 hertz dike the ultrasound like that we don't hear them so sound singing to somebody ya chobo pena kiran chogi kiran de cherwa ani pigela aridwa chile ya michi clap chevi na kiran dad thö mara so you won't say that there is a sound kiran dad dul and she thugu marwa so they lang does say it's a very subjective thing ngajo koyedi so kosuna dares magona damares lagirwa so does say dia ngajo technically definition the condition gala na sound is a vibration yede tishaurwa technical definition the sound ana condition means it is a vibration that stimulates our senses through a mechanism of air and interpreted by brain by nervous system lashana kansna brain the nervous system brain lana digidu yana nervous system lana digidu in the breaking out brain tissue so technical definition the data sounds and it's a vibration of course it's a vibration the primary thing is vibration when the object if the object does not vibrate then we don't hear any sound that's a fact object vibrate chesanga dadi thögo orwanga jo vibration said it's a movement of matter vibration said somebody ya tagi disturbance chigla tikur pressure la khebar showa right air pressure la khebar showa that's a vibration so sound is a vibration it is a vibration that stimulates our sense le de la sense of khare hearing dirwa so de la ya aju da thöya di so khari device na na wang bu de device yorba chedang aju wang shi ngai le di na wang bu che wang bu lu wang bu yi wang bu che chi du da de aju na jo gang ke she gurwan na wang bu di da de thö gurwa so stimulates our sense through a mechanism of ear na jo gi lega chebe thone da de thö and dene di da di lebana che chen lebegi shimju cheyachi da de khande chiresha 라 ngobu khandeji daresha dadi nyembu dube kharidube daji ro dadi chemkeshu chempuredube chunjuredube dadi mangbuchi dagi kanle dagi khechu mangbuchi gorwa dadi chasanga ju lebegi to oxygen tagru togruwa so this is more technical definition of sound dichikche ta tagi kon shubanashi sound the desho yada mangbu yungure sound is an energy lana tikidu sound is a wave sound is a wave lana tikidu yana technical definition sound is a vibration that stimulates our brain stimulates our senses through the mechanism of ear which is interpreted by our brain dindish lana tikidu ta delaya khodebu chishuna delaya ta da kiranso dinalo liya slide nanglol chik CV na sensation felt by our ear which is a sound is something it's a kind of a sensation that is felt by our ear najogi chortwegi dindish 다데네 다른 게 조시 당부디 독세 what is sound che how does it travel che the nibudi che and the characteristic of sound inda 당부데라 다 세나 카르레레 디 타깅에 갈칸삼 칭에 슈두바이 다 세나 카르레 kon 누슈치라라는 건지 되기도 콜랍치라 건지나 되기도 딘데다 우치레 베나 타기디로 치 다딩에 액티비티 체비 있나다 as this yagusia di 이걸 당에게 두카시 스톱이 이러와 아시르와 당에데 파이프 튜브인다 파날 니렘비 니샤 칸라 러버 발룬니 감부니 튜브이 안데네 디간레 야치간 네치간레 양에게 두카시 스톱이 라타 드라기 레가 치기도 멘둘라이드와 다베네 게 디네게 케시캬베나 데라 카리 주가 카르 테기도 라인데다 this sketches majana yandi gujo thing marwa ta dikha hello 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 te di bergi do dige gujo tang do de la dradi kesh kep sambale ya abeji kyanzu ke sau shu ko gu ju de nge mai ta sarwa ibe ne ta dinge chegodi 토닝에 다 마지 카메라 부지르샤 데 키나서 녜데 케게도 데 키나서 드루디게디 베르기도와 고조탄기도와 so sound is an energy 뉴슈드 두고르와 웨이브와 콜랍디 두고요자 랍디 디 데네마 랍디 친친네 디 기그디간라 포고요자 멤브레인디간라 포고요자 아니 카체브레 디암 베레아 고츠퍼와 디 베레아 고츠도 and 드루디간 예브 드루디게디야 아니 고조탄야 고츠스와 so sound does travel from within the medium chi gulam chi ginala dadi dugu yobadi sevstare kesi dadi dugu mavina nushu di dadi nushu yumbache nushu di dugu mavina and di bergo e chagmentwa o dukche chine nga zu ya chik tya yobche dadene chik de inda dadi ta drosela gulam chi gogudwa sound needs a medium to travel. Light the comparative in light does not need a medium to travel from the fact that sunlight reaches us through space and space is vacuum thing. Absolutely vacuum thing I can't say. Vacuum but there are vacuum but vacuum sena tongbo tongkyan se ngon sigurwa but tajik to space nganzu patan de partnon de naka di tongbo tongkyan re partnon de marwa di nanglo la ya ta hydrogen gas ta de yorte ini yang nganzu tongba sego gyumsen di dige gi particle dige molecule dige parki gap di kala khansamji chembo yoza ani sound travel chi thuguyo mare space nangi sounding azu thwe khakbore kansena because of the space between the molecules. Space is not absolutely vacuum chatsa chi azu namgyune vacuum shade gorte ine it's not absolutely vacuum ra chatsa chi vacuum mare ta ine azu de activity chunju chebe ina sound vacuum na la travel chigreve mares sound chunala travel chigore di nganzo nyadige de chik they can communicate with each other through sound pena chorojil sia gyasu ro sivi inada di ta nganzo ina pena nga thande de shuge nangne cheche ngarangi nangne chechine de la studio de lebre wa ta de la lebe di nge direction di contest sejo chebele la na ngegi dirwa 님의 어디라 때시네 이게 아니 다이렉션 디세주 치기 사제될 레버와 다 초날 차샤벤 초날 댕에 속샤 사도간에 벳 망아요 초날 다 콘소에게 아니 즉 람체알 속바 초 되게디 가와 제주 쳐야 되게디 가레스 배주치고 가서 왜초 띵라 마침베나 왜 싫어요 말해 왜 되게디 초 강기 즉 미러 가시 주요나 디왈 침베나 왜 드로두고 말해 초왈 나구나 벳 나구래 속 딘데기 소샤 딩에 초띵라 딩에기 소샤 디게디 컨테스트네 아니 소소기 초다 가조다 디게디 사지 디게디 모다 컨테스트 쇼거스나 they rely on sound 콘소기 다가나 capture 메두 captures the dare so dadia 콘소기 배주치고래 they communicate with each other and through sound they navigate 어데 다 데라이나 다가난다 so so 다디 조세기 귤람 망보스도 베네키랑게 테이블 간 조세간라 암조 샤치네 슈베이나 table is a solid thing 고 도수 체인지로와 디가 야다직 다디 tö기도 안 가죠 table 간 내치글라 슈베이나 키라네 셴바지 암조 잔네 녜베이나 다디 tö기도 sound travels in solid 라 다가나 신기 sound travels in air 단다직 지밍아주 미직직게 셰도다 퇴디 롱난 귤람난 쪽으로 다 셴바 추나라이 쪽으로 냐디게디 직직 communicate 셰디 직게 셰 상마 추나 치고 다 아주 sound does need a medium to travel sound la 다디 귤람 도세라 귤람 주고도와 다 귤람 매비 있는 다디 로투레 마레라야 딩 아주 직 딱지 춘주 쳐와 다디 가주직 사수부 연구했다 매데 셰투메 but still let us try 이게 라도 가봐 춘주슬레 let me set an alarm 이게 주주당 모두 쭉지체 let me set an alarm Okay, that in it. Nge Shagush Lempi, Shedam Chi, this was 99 degree, and the Shedam D Galang a pipe she does to me, and the Kranzung a Karichigu with the Kanston degree. That thing a lamp strip in Paget and data, thing they don't have it. So the answer to share the gain can sound travel in vacuum lady. So get the ye miulaya, that thing at the chashilaya, the vacuum so I get touch it. Daddy Kogu, you pitch. Thank you, dinner lure. Kudwa, thank you, Yeda. Thank you, dinner. Long yorda dinala, in long matungi. Pitch daddy pet. Nyur changyur. Nge vacuum chasan chida nge sotuyo mare rwa nge long dinge ya jibreda dinang yob long dinge ma ya temper. Nge dinang la vacuum soye ge tabshi chibarda de kodo kodwa tanda dele ya nge long jibe na. Koya dibet nyur roswa. O duk chechne. Tadi vacuum dinala lung thoma lung yodu sampala dadi kala kansam chtoygu dwa tangi lung di mattem be na nge dinang gi nedang de chi ke tongba ro chi lung ya meba so e nedang ji chungbe kap so en dadi ya thoe di nyung patiba dadi keshu di nyung chin so so that means the har tyong gor se na sound vacuum na la travel chi gi meba number tyong gor dela so dela ya nga jo khar she thu re sound needs a medium to travel without a medium it cannot travel. So space now lang anjo gi dadi to matho egumze di space is a vacuum thing but absolutely vacuum de ke mare yembe in gas the hydrogen space now so the hydrogen gas the helium da dinde yugure so dige gas par ki distance de chimbu yosa nge thagi khalson dadi ge di so vibration relaswa object vibrate chibe ina ya kesi vibration di shukchumbu mevi ina particle dil ya strike chima tu be ina nyendam no yo particle dipa do vibration dil le matu be ina and dia bergi mare di maber be ina digi nyendam no yo shemba particle dige dia bergi mare so duk session is sound di energy di transfer chitu go mare so space nangi netan de dinde do chire so ngazu dine khar shen so sena activity dine sound needs a medium to travel di so medium khare sena medium solid in secret liquid in secret gas in secret tang anso ya de twitch samtam be na in which medium can sound travel fastest kulum kharinal ya dadi che kyokshe dro thugre ting anso ya che samno tang chogre dadi samtam bale ya remush tv na medium sum doshe this is solid. This is liquid. This is gas. So particle dige in solid they are held close to each other. So particle chick di vibrate chesuna particle dil shubi ina ngegi pergirwa particle di berve ina digi nyendam no particle dige di bere go chugurwa because they are close to each other. So digi dila that kind of it's a kind of a chain reaction. Chigi la pass thangirwa. Chigi la thuchine. Ani vibration the energy rwa. So energy it moves forward. Duk seshine digi dila tangire di dil tigre duk seshine khanda sound travels. This solid liquid now the particles are further apart from each other. This young ring ayurwa. So dine dipato kogi ko bervacherwa toma di bervache and kogi vibration the dilaya lebea ya tuzuch gogurwa lamsan legi marwa. So dela tuzuch gogure and dil kesi digi vibration the del lepsuna and dine dil. Those vibration scenario wave rwa. Vibration is a wave. Wave they move forward, not the particle. The ketchum starta. Madu mangbuchi ya sound sedu sambala particle chik dene nge ke khanma particle chtheng khagi nyendam yo air particle de tu ching kira amjo badu lep ani da nge gi shesha ba de thogyo ba de mare in sound only the wave move, the energy move, not the particle. Particle move chigo mar. Particles khachigor. So ki mean position then they vibrate. Right? So they vibrate sena, they oscillate sena, moving back and forth. Tichigorba. They don't leave their position. Dine saja the vibration chebo kapsu, dine saja the patching, saja shemba chille, then take him mare. This does not happen. Particles do not move. Only the energy moves forward. The wave energy moves forward in sound. Solid che and liquid che and the gas. Gas now distance the tharing she yota dine dipato ya wave energy the levia dila. The vibrate chigirwa. When this particle vibrates, wave energy is produced, and wave energy the travel chigirwa dipato levia, it takes more time. So dichine ya sound the gas nala travel che di tuju mangsho goguri. Fastest sound travel fastest in solid, then in liquid, and least in gas. Or those straight. Tange dit samna ya tuvachi kranso samna jinda nangjon lane tigitu. Does sound, the speed of a sound depend on the temperature? Temperature can depend chigire mare. Yange tibadi ende chin ko vina. Yaga tuju kapsu nganzo dradi yoga thugrive yana gunge tuju kapsu dradi yoga thugrive. Can we hear sound faster during summer or during winter? Digan samnoshna. So they sound the temperature ni pala devata gor nganzo. O digal samnoshna kiranso. So ya chik to lenchine tigre ya chik dinale ya samsu lenchine tigre. Yeah, the sound medium nala dugu yoba che and medium nane kya solid liquid gas sum nane kya sound travel faster than solid nala yoksho dugu yoba che. Di chela tanganzo de duginda. Yeah, I got choose sound the wave in bache labim bache because it's a disturbance, pressure disturbance chirwa, pressure disturbance chirwe. Tadela ya wave sedu sambala ya yevanyi la chigre. There are two types of wave: mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave. Sound is a pressure wave. Therefore it's a mechanical wave. Sound the pressure wave chirita. Pressure wave hindu sambala ya ta nge kanema keshidu pena enterorwa. Let's say this is my mouth, right? Dinge kadi bcherwa. Nge kagi nyendam dal lung yorwa. Lung hawa gasa yorwa. Nge dine sound dadi thundu samba kharchire. Kagi nyendam na yoveki air molecule diket yorwa. They get compressed. Digi kharchire wave chi produce chigre. Wave the moves forward. Forward che air particle dige kharchi tanenge dinala mashi ditto ne tikito. This ya. The wave the this is a longitudinal wave. Ye desh ditto na kiranzola ya peche de. De bad na sevi na da. Karchigido de parit na sevi na kiranzo de tongudo de mawu tash kedwa. Dige de mawu dige de nge ta ye di particle ni lawr air ki particle pena nge ki khanan ma dash temperature na push the air ra ke ki til yobe air de ta khachigre particles do not move particle digete mabu digete ta da vibrate chigime de vibration lana pha chu de ta nge mabu di de kon de inda nge mabu chi kan la dot chi kan shaurwa de sia de da suranja le so yan pha do yan pha ching yan chu le bergi me de mabu nge tanda pointer shasa chimi de the pointer shasa chwa that's ya yan just ya kiran pointer shasa de the pointer shasa dita di ki particle chikla select chinda nge particle I have selected one particle and look at the particle the red dot that you see in the slide they move forward and backward this chigdwa they don't move from one place to another point chikne de kunjoge point dene ne chene de patuleb chigmindowa end pato particles do not move only the wave move chiwa thongudwa khiranso de wave wadela wave tön do ngegi wave dige move chigdwa the particles do not move the red dots are the particle they do not move they just oscillate the red dot are the particles and they just oscillate they move back and forth they don't leave their position they just move back and forth as per the normal position konjogi mean position dene move forward and backward they just oscillate dila vibration legirwa the particles vibrate they do not move from one point to another point what moves is the wave the energy in some wave travels wave moves forward energy the drogo or mato particle drogo marta chese odi kechumbure de shinya de tanganjo coming back to the topic manjo wave in da wave la lap ni nap ring ni yobache mechanical wave da transverse wave that's here zide gebe lokte nanglo la ya mechanical wave transverse wave chechine deshe yume kan shi zide gube kap sikran so di wave kan la ya deshe kegre so nge de la ya kran so wave di yeba ni la che mechanical and transverse mechanical wave singe dila pressure wave la ne digido tagingwe de la kran so thoywa air pressure di move chigidwa pressure kebati compression the rarefaction that the gadget jul digre mechanical wave say the ngajo gi sound wave do chilinda sound the mechanical wave re raba transverse wave say the tangajo gi light do chilla example ni step in ngajo dingwela hekol jambre tataring ngajo drakol jangore krangi phala kebar tagi teginda one difference is light is a transverse wave and sound is a mechanical wave light the transverse wave in the gonda transverse wave some the in the mechanical wave the electromagnetic wave so light the electromagnetic wave re lana khare se gor se na does not need a medium to travel the drawback up so ko injime je gyulam chu goye mare space ne vacuum na ne ngajo light dilib ki dwa nyime yo de ngajo space ne ngajo zamling pa to lego orwa so it does not need a medium to travel that's electromagnetic wave so light is an electromagnetic wave as it does not need a medium to travel kola ya gyulam chi go nyechen chi medu and kola ya electromagnetic waves show the mechanical wave sound the kharre needs a medium to travel need a medium to travel Tati you wala ya inchi menchi gyulam chi gugure without a medium sound cannot travel tagingi ge activity sheswa vacuum soye ge thapse chene and vacuum ge ta vacuum chasa te nge soethu marwa imena khala consumption nge long de matne bekapsu dadi chung droswa nubadi so sound dine kharsteng gutsena sound needs a medium to travel without a medium it cannot travel gyulam chi mena dadi drotu ya khapor twa gyulam chi inji mi gugudwa and gyulam khari yungur sena solid yang liquid yang na gas dige gyulam dige ge gyune dadi drotu gurwa labdi dadi labdi drotugres doshe tadi kebar dirda mechanical the electromagnetic wave the chobo ne wave la naga ni che and pe re shayo there are some other examples also nge de pe sön ni ding azulob sen ta da che chabati chik che de yore chik che chabre krani kan pe shavi light is electromagnetic wave why it is an electromagnetic wave because it does not need a medium to travel light can travel even in vacuum Mechanical waves, example sound. Why sound is a mechanical wave? Because it need a medium to travel. Without a medium, sound cannot travel. O dukshe ne keba tachi kodebo kan shubi yi nidi. Dukshe didigwache mechanical wave ta electromagnetic wave ki kebardi. Tang anjo khatugi lana daily. Since we are talking about sound the mechanical wave ra nge bracket na chu shawra sound. Now let's talk more about mechanical wave. The mechanical wave la ya naganiyur longitudinal and transverse longitudinal and transverse wave cheche ni yungur ta longitudinal wave the transverse wave ni dikhare la na longitudinal wave di dire particle thagi thon so nge parch na tagi nge dige slide na la ya animation din ang thong dwa pena chik push cheve na air column chik push cheve na kharchi gi du particle pena di particle in pe na da mau chuna mau thwa particle chik in the particle de mangbo yorwa particle chik ju in the mau din da di it moves back and it moves forward and backward at its mean position tu ya ma drodi do that's called a vibration ta kharchi gi na wave moves forward wave the dugdwa wave the ngajogi dokshene it moves forward not the particle koro sa chik la dechne it moves back and forth ber digdwa not the particle move chigo mare from this end to this end particle move kyun chigo marta only the wave move forward so there la longitudinal wave lana wave dichola dugu yore particle dia it moves parallel tange move sedu sambala vibrate chigora the particles vibrate parallel to the direction of wave particle khawa vibrate chigdu this vibrate ching midwe and what is the direction of wave dichogla so are they parallel yes they are so dinesh laya as a longitudinal wave like dig doksho transverse wave te da de dochre as wave di imbe na da pena the example khode buchi kan shube na da the water wave do chimbe na that's a transverse wave the water wave the touching the transverse wave the shu marte but imbe nanda de pezo in the dish lene tigito yana thakpach len chene string wave chik sobe na thakpach len chene duk stru ta be na an kranso wave chi ragru ba ragre ragmar pena ye digi kuba digi wave chi sobe na da de kranso duk stru ta be na you see the wave duk wa nechila do sach duk cheve na you see the waveform de phatsu gulgudwa dinang shingi water wave na lai dirwa labdi chudi dene dungmunde wave di karchi gorsena dela tusindo chebe na ko particle chebe na water molecule dige dia up down marde kabre chugi ya kya gre kabre ma dugre kabre ya kya gre ma wave khwa chol togor wave moves in this direction but the particle moves up down te kharshala na perpendicular resha wave ki direction da particle ki vibration ni ti perpendicular resha perpendicular ina transverse ray so khebar didir ha ko bacha longitudinal da transverse wave ni di khari re la na they both are types of mechanical wave khebar khari yorisena in a longitudinal wave the vibration of particle and the direction of the wave are same they are parallel to each other right in a transverse wave the vibration of particle is up and down but the wave move forward wave the energy the duna to korta particle khwa vibrate chigidu they move up and down so in a way they are perpendicular to each other particle vibrate up and down ya dure ma phabgirwa the particle moves up and down but the wave move forward so angle is 90 degree that means they are perpendicular to each other here it's parallel there it's perpendicular digi kheba yores tade kiranso deche ade kiranso dechi tanda longitudinal wave di dechi sia wave disturbance move in the same direction as the wave disturbance and a vibration of particle moves in the same direction as the wave as you can see here slinky ge dirdwa wave duna dugmendwe de agusida de gonchinda de impossible this tongulwa that's your compression pressure compression sena compression le ri dilaya particle sangma accumulate chibur sak par particle sak du sambala the density increases the pressure increases so particle dige the pressure the increase chevre and density increases therefore the nature yang so compression sigre so a longitudinal wave nanglo la ya compression singe chikta longitudinal wave nala compression singe chida ani rarefaction singe ni ya je yakusia pena de ba That's your compression. Wave moves forward. Particle remains same. This here. Pena di dwa chilaya. Yede kyanso de tongudwa. Di dwa chila ngegi takpach dambe ina ta kuba chunchuch dambe ina. Ani tanda di slinky gi activity di cheve ina. Di nangi wave chi tongudwa di wave di dugurwa. Ine ya de la kuba tagyo chi kesi kyanso la de slinky de yobi ina kyanso tagje chida. Kuba tagyo di kuba di dugs dugu marwa. Dunla kuba taksa di chamdi khora rangsa de digirwa. So kuba di particle chila ngwenzinda. Kirang kuba di particle chila ngwenzi. Kuba di vibrate chigre mato. They vibrate. They just vibrate. They will just get disturbed. Disturbance lane digdu vibration lane digdu. Particle the vibrate the disturb chigre mato. They will not move forward. Only the wave move forward. Only the waves move forward. So there is a compression point where the wave is most compact. That's your compression. This is your compression where the particles are compact, dense. Rarefaction sena tanda de tungura dinala. Particles digeti nyungshu sasha diya. Oh, that's a rarefaction. So compression, and that's your rarefaction followed by rarefaction. So compression da rarefaction chechine niure. Tanganzo next slide de tuginda. So dela ya longitudinal wave nala kardus. Longitudinal wave nal kardusia. Longitudinal wave nala ya we have got an area of compression and rarefaction. Longitudinal nala wave nala ya we've got compression and rarefaction. Right? We've got compression and rarefaction. Compression sena very dense. The pressure of particle is more. Where the pressure of particle is more. Very dense form of particle. Particle sangma tsuru ru cheba tochila. Rarefaction sena nyung particle nyung sa sajidil lagor. Where the pressure of particle is less and where density is less. Oh, the digital rarefaction sigri. Yeah, that dukshe compression the rarefaction ni the longitudinal wave ki chashe chik cherwa. Longitudinal wave dila namgyu nengajo compression wave yan lagre. Ta dene next transverse wave tuginda. Transverse wave lana kharesha. That's a longitudinal wave. Dang transverse wave inda. Transverse wave nala thagi khasung ege the vibration of particle direction of the vibration of particle is perpendicular to the direction of wave. Tadina partnasya. This yeah. It's a string wave. Kubachik trogudwa. Desida. Particle disturbance the kawarsha upward ridwa. Anzo yama gujtangdwa dukshe particle digeti yama. Pena kubachik dikala ne dikala takpach tambe ina kubachunju tambe ina yana chik kharina chik chala shabe ina dikala. Dikhachi re the particle language zindarwa chala di. Ta kharchi re kesi anzo ge di kuba de chila kuba de ne chila kuba chi dam chene kuba tap dam chene kuba kawch dam be ina tang anjo gi wave di swave ina thakpa di tukbo ina kuba di ya ching ma ching dus tukra. So kuba the particle la ngoin sintarwa. So particle ki movement the vibration ki direction the kharsha up and down marve. Any wave khari chol togor wave the lab di it moves forward in this direction tugdwa the arrow thendwa. So khurani kharesha perpendicular mardwe chick up and down che chick moves forward cheve ina that will be perpendicular. So the direction of the vibration and the direction of the wave are perpendicular to each other. Di khare transverse wave ki khodyon re. Tasya transverse wave nalo yan shen khar do. The khodyon di che transverse wave are disturbance move perpendicular to the direction of wave, as you see in the picture there. 당한수 데레야 가리어르스나 깨졌리기. 다 우시아디 트로픽 타마치 리긴다. 웨브 기 캐쳐디 냠도 랩시기. Tang so transverse wave nan sia. Let's say if this is a transverse wave, and this is the mean position. That's the mean position. Ding anjogi normal na etikitu, normal position na etikitu, yang na mean position na etikitu, or mean position wave ki. Diche ta. This is the wave, transverse wave. Particle moves up and down, right? And the wave moves forward. The direction of wave diche. Particle move up and down. Ta dele ya nganjo khar sogre. Dile ya crest le. We call this as crest. We call this as trough. Crest se na that compression do chirwa. Nganjo particles tike the mangshu yosa sajadila crest like rwa. Trough la na particle nyungshu yosa sajadila or. Pena dele ya particle tike di pe mangbo dense crest del. Trough dele ya particle sta yo mare. Tagingo gi longitudinal wave na la ya nganjo ke sheba. Compression the rarefaction chiche. Compression nangla when the air is compressed, the particles get together and the pressure increases, the density increases. So dele ya compression ki analogy to which crest layer where the particle is mostly found. That will form the crest, the peak of the wave. The peak of the wave, crest se duzambala, the peak where the particles are more dense. Trough se na the bottom dirwa dele kharir se na the density of particle is less, or the pressure is less, or the crest the trough che ta wavelength se na khalla war dil de wavelength se na wavelength deshe kyada mangbu yore. Wavelength deshe kyada sia. Crest ni pargi distance. Right? The distance between the two adjacent crest. Dilana digitu. Chesa consecutive crest. Crest ni ge. Crest di marta ya chik di marta. Two consecutive crest. Crest tutu ni ge pargi distance dila wavelength lan digitu. Dila wavelength like lambda legita. Lambda means wavelength. Wavelength. Dilana digitu yang na decompression rwa, decompression side tirwa. That's a rarefaction. That's a rarefaction. Nyunga che particle. Ta endelana digur. The distance between the two consecutive compression. Dilana digit. Two consecutive compression. Two consecutive rarefaction lana digitu. Yang na the distance between the two consecutive trough lana digitu. The dish lana digitu. Or the share wavelength lady. So wavelength say kodenti manda kiranzuki. If you say the distance between two consecutive crests, then it is also fine. If you say the distance between two consecutive trough, that is also fine. And if you say the distance between two consecutive compression, and then it is also fine. And if you say the distance between two consecutive rarefaction, it is also fine. So manzo wavelength ki kodenti ta shedang manda yungure. Wave la tagi chechne rwa pena nge dele ya wavelength ki kodoinda de. It is the distance between the centers of two consecutive compression. Yang na two consecutive rarefaction tagi nge shubutri. Yang na it is the distance from one crest to another. Crest ni pargi distance. Yang na trough ni pargi distance. O dende chila kodoinda sheta mangbo yore kinazo kari tina digre. Deshe gyapta meda mangbo yore. Yang na chik dilane digre. The combined length of compression and an adjacent rarefaction. Combined length of compression and an adjacent rarefaction lane. So ngazo compression chik na ani rarefaction ni ki combined length to chik. Ngazo ki dube na pena DCB na combined length, right? Combined se to duberwa. Nganzo compression da rarefaction ni pargi distance the dube na combined length to dube na di nganzo wavelength tigres. So deshe gyaptan di kiranso ge remba mangbo yungure di kiranso tagi tigi. And thama dela wavelength di se gyab kapsu ring se di se gyab kapsu ani measurement di kharin an ligre la na meter an ligre. Wavelength di geti unit use is meter. The unit that we use is meter. The wavelength che. Ta nganzo ge amplitude la amplitude se na to tibu shevena, you may say it is the height of the wave. You may say it is the intensity of the sound. the energy of the sound ge penang ajoge ke chumbuch khobe na if you hear a loud sound that means high amplitude drum chi dumbe na you hear a loud sound drum gi ke chumbuch khogu du lagirwa that means the amplitude the thobish tayor so amplitude lana the disturbance dillagor the height of the disturbance ki height dilane digitu yangna the height of the wave lane digitu wave ki height lane digitu ta dela yang gi din alo ya khodu mangbuchi deshe gyadna mangbuchi tiyo inkana zo log chirwa deche dilaya amplitude sa the distance dilaya amplitude so amplitude will give us the energy of the sound katsuchi amplitude thoayo na energy mangayo penang ege wave ni tigurwa chigi duinda. This is the mean position. Look at this height. Now if I draw another wave, look at this amplitude. The amplitude thoadwa, so this means that this wave, this sound has got more energy. Sound dilaya energy mangayore because its amplitude is more. So amplitude ka juchi mangayo na sound dila energy mangayoba more louder the sound is. Delaya drum gi ke di loud shibuke sabutwa ko gi amplitude di thoayor. Ya object shimba chi ke dumbe na durbe na ke chungayo na that means the amplitude is less. So amplitude gives out the loudness of the sound. Higher the amplitude, louder is the sound. And more is the energy. Odiche. Tadene amplitude di if you measure this distance, again the unit has to be meter. So amplitude ki unit diya meter re. Amplitude ki unit dikhare meter nala sigire. Same like wavelength. Wavelength ki unit di meter re dwa. Taganash wavelength ki unit di meter hinsanga amplitude ki unit diya meter rancha re shishwe. Doshe. Tadene time period. Time period sena khare. Time taken to complete one wave, yangna one cycle, yangna one oscillation, yangna one vibration. Direshilane tigidu. Wave chik complete chevalaya. Wave chik do wave chik ra. Wave chik complete chevalaya tuzo khatso gorsum. Penange tanda din angolaya de chisia cancel din al tyongurwa. Let me show you. Delinda. See it for yourself, Delia. Dinanglola ya kransola deshe di wavelength da kari me time period di de tungre. Transverse wave ki kodyo diche. This is transverse wave. The disturbance and the movement of wave are perpendicular to each other. That means at 90 degree. Wavelength sena crest ni yana trough ni phagi distance the lower. Let's say this is the wavelength. Trough ni pargi distance. Yangna crest ni pargi. Amplitude sena height of the wave. Lagirwa hanjo baseline change crest pargi distance. If this is the baseline lana mean position the lower. Remote now. Mean position ta crest ni pargi distance ring se dilaya wavelength sigir. Audiche. Ta tanda delaya Thama delayinda. Ta thama delaya frequency galin. Time period the frequency ni di. Time period say di dire. Wave chick cycle chick complete chair. This is a cycle of a wave. This cycle chick wave chick complete chair. Yangna cycle chick complete chair. Yangna vibration chick complete chair la tuzo kazo gosung. The time taken to complete one cycle. Yangna one wave. Yangna one vibration. Karilane digite tanye. Direchi the time period sa. So time period it is denoted by capital T, and time period the unit cardinal segirilana second nal. Time period is measured in second, in unit called second. Diche. So time period che. Thamadila frequency. Frequency in the time period ni the opposite re. Nisha opposite re. They are inversely related re. Tadengege frequency se di. Skarcha chikla wave khatsu complete chesung. Odila sugar. Frequency lana. Total wave in 1 second. Kodevu shuve na dir. Total number of waves in 1 second. Karcha chik nala wave kyondom kazu chinsu. Karcha chik nala. Ado tuzo ka chine. Tuzo nyejen chita. Karcha chik nala wave kazu chinsu. that is called frequency yana karsha chik na la object vibrates har khachu chisum total number of vibration right dinechil lanetic do total number of disturbance ta khar lanetic do wave total number of cycle total number of vibration khar lanetic do in 1 second that is called frequency cheswa so frequency the time ni the opposite jure frequency duk se ne op krani duk she seirwa khachu chigi frequency mangayena time period ni yunga lingirwa time lana khare wave cycle chi complete chel tujo khajo kosung frequency mangayena time period ni yunga yore time period mangayena frequency yunga yore toksre krani relation di so frequency gi khodon di total number of wave in 1 second time period lana time taken to complete one wave yana one cycle that is the time period like re so dige de sangma khare nge thari de khare karke shin lana wave length sia wavelength wave length chike shin dene amplitude cheke shin dene time period dene frequency this shidikeshi ta di main bege she ba your speed ke share yungure timber ke share yungure mangbo this sama kharela na this shidi kharela na tari shidi kan ke share budi these are the properties of sound lane digitu characteristics of sound these are the characteristics of sound ki kheshe rurta ngajo nga dongpa ta guitar tro pa ta da ma thug duwa chik thuje rig ma da da ma thug duwa di sangma dige dil khebar show kor kashi ki wavelength loga re kashi ki amplitude loga re dige le khebar show sang azu da ma thug gore o duk shechne ta khebar dige de show sang azu da ding oda chu gor ta khari gi dar de nga dongbe na nga gi da di lam so theba da ding nga re shal na ku duwa ta na shi lingbu sta be lingbu gi da di lingbu imba guitar to be na guitar gi da di danye gi da ti sama ngazu gi ngota chue di dige dil kheba show be king gi dag gi wavelength the kheba yana amplitude yana time period frequency dige dil kheba show be king gi ngazu da di gi yenje chi tu gore chikche ta de ya tharing joshi khari cover chisung sound se na khare rawa does sound need a medium to travel sound the wave re da mare yan wave yimbe ina wave like yewa khatsu yu mechanical wave the electromagnetic wave ni yerwa sound the wave reconditial ngunzingre sound is a mechanical wave yin go de khar re yin te chechne thibata bi na and ko dose gulam chi gures sound the travel chela it needs a medium therefore it's a mechanical wave ta shi mechanical wave la ya yewa yona mena ya yewa ni che swa longitudinal wave da ani transverse wave chechne longitudinal wave dilaya khade to uchil wave ngun sing tu dima dishe gen khebar khari me longitudinal the transverse longitudinal ala the vibration of particle and the direction of wave are both parallel to each other object vibrate duk sigir wave duk chol togol so sida nija de dus to parallel martve chik du chol togor chik vibrate duk sigor both are parallel to each other then is longitudinal wave like transverse wave nanglo khari object the vibration of the particle is up and down whereas the wave move forward in this direction so they both are perpendicular wave du chol ve na particle duk vibrate chigor so nija perpendicular martve dide insa dide wave chila ya transverse wave like re so khebar ditne be ani thanda dele ya sound wave dikhare sound wave the longitudinal wave sound wave is a longitudinal wave it's not a transverse wave kuba the ende chevena that's a transverse wave light is a transverse wave form of a transverse wave sound is a longitudinal wave diji khem baching ajo sound the mechanical wave nang ne kya longitudinal wave res che chue and sound la kheju khari cha yume sound la ya property khari yume shi chi da bai wavelength amplitude time period frequency shi the rare chin ma de she kya bai chene keba na la ya ta da gi part chi yungre thamadela sound music the noise la sure ta di Tibettv kirazu samtambi na music red noise re lai di chidang azu lebegi chebe chechire mega she drat khashe ya noise impadi khashe gi ya music source bre di sangma lebegi di chigor lega chi chechire dagana shin ya chik chanic ton shubi na ta dele ya chikchili gre nganzo gi kirazu di kala ya tajangwa be na digre timber se na ta azu tone do chleirwa quality of sound like sound ki quality dilata chene ngazu yewache gor sound the music redu notes the noise redu chikche thagana shi ngazu mithangme gi wavelength chikpa sound chigi wavelength chikpa amplitude chikpa yin chogruwa the frequency se na pitch wa di chikpa yin chogruwa kesi sound pitch chikpa chewata the amplitude chikpa chewa the sound ni yobe na and sound ni yen che khandes chigila na timbre touch sound ki quality touch ne o duk se ne ya chik sawa chikha zo ya timbre se na khare quality of sound. This helps us to distinguish ngazu minang la ina ya keja mi gi ke mi space touch ko bata mi di ming da changma ha ko du to ngazu mi di lamsa chol do level na lo sha li to de sangma ha ko tu di timbre la ra li the quality of the sound it depends upon the quality of sound o dusre to tharing gi joshi di doksi dragan li ya ani kiran so dragan ya thande kiran so samtang khar khar gi me ani thada mixe gi ngazu drake share di dire audible sound, right? And then there are some inaudible sound, infrasound, ultrasound. And dige gana ya samno tang chogre semje khashe chi ki infrasound dige di below 20 hertz ya ke khoko re, right? Semje khashe ki ultrasound above 20,000 hertz. Nganzo ki human ki audibility range dikhar rahe between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz. Nganzo ki beyond these two range we can't hear sound. And dige dila inaudible se shugre. O dige di and digala ya sound kala tan to jambe inta pe mangbu jaya yorwa echo la dinte mangbu jaya reverberation cheche. And dige zinda guwa na libgire and zinda jwa pu so ya digala ya jangdo yobe na kiranso 도난치네 야구 요래 삼기도 어독시 안 다른게 롭센디 고는 직jal존체 안 키란소 소소간라 야 리플렉션 체싱 아가르가리 신송 어독시 안 토체나